Life process part 2 MCQ. Very important MCQ. Don't skip the questions. Attempt all the questions. Question number first. In photosynthetic process, atmospheric carbon dioxide is dash 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 to carbohydrate, oxidized, reduced, neutralized, burnt. The right answer is reduced. Question number second. On seeing good food, our mouth water. This fluid is actually water, hormone, enzyme, none of these. The right answer is enzyme. Question number 3. Right part of the human heart contains oxygenated blood, mixed blood, deoxygenated blood, no blood. The right answer is deoxygenated blood. Question number 4. The enzyme pepsin is inactive in stomach without the presence of nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, acetic acid, butyric acid. The right answer is acetic acid. Question number 5. When water enters the guard cells, the stomata A. Open, close, open or close, no effect. The right answer is open. Question number 6. Bacteria are autotrophic, heterotrophic, saprotrophic, all of these. The right answer is all of these. Question number 7. Autotroph is the other name of herbs, algae, shrubs, all of these. The right answer is all of these. Lichen is the example of dash 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 nutrition, autotrophism, parasitism, symbiotism, saprotrophism. Right answer is symbiotism. Respiration is intake of O2, breakdown of food, C6H12O6, release of CO2, all of these. The right answer is all of these. Question number 10. Total amount of ATP produced in aerobic respiration. No ATP, 26 ATP, 38 ATP, 2 ATP. The right answer is 38 ATP. Question number 11. Yeast cell produced CO2 and H2O, ethanol plus CO2, ethanol, lactic acid. The right answer is ethanol plus CO2. Question number 12. Thrombocytes are also called as RBC, WBC, platelets, plasma. The right answer is platelets. Question number 13. Hemoglobin shows maximum affinity with CO, CO2, O2 and ammonia. Right answer is CO, carbon monoxide. Tachycardia is fast heart rate, slow heart rate, stop heart rate, normal heart rate, fast heart rate. Question number 15. William Harvey is credited with the discovery of blood clotting, blood circulation, process of digestion, mechanism of respiration. The right answer is blood circulation. Question number 16. The end product of Ornithine cycle is ammonia, uric acid, urea, CO2. The right answer is urea. Question number 17. Presence of urea in blood is called uranemia, hematuria, diuria, anuria. The right answer is uranemia. Question number 18. ADH act on collecting tubule of kidney, loop of Henle, collecting duct of testis, none of the above. The right answer is collecting tubule of kidney. Question number 19. Blood pressure and heart beat is regulated by insulin, adrenaline, optic nerve, growth hormone. The right answer is adrenaline. Question number 20. Antidiuretic hormone ADH increase water reabsorption, increase water release, increase sodium plus reabsorption, decrease urea synthesis. The right answer is increase water reabsorption. Question number 21. Outer layer of kidney is medulla, pleura, cortex, none of these. The right answer is cortex. Question number 22. A person is undergoing prolonged fasting. His urine will be found to contain abnormal quantities of fats, amino acid, glucose, ketones. The right answer is ketones. Question number 23. The breakdown of 6-carbon sugar is cell take place by Krebs cycle, both A and C, glycolysis, none of these. The right answer is both A and C. Question number 24. Right part of the human heart contains oxygenated blood, mixed blood, deoxygenated blood, no blood. The right answer is deoxygenated blood. Question number 25. Living being on which parasites resides called a host, ligand, receptor, anchorage. The right answer is host. Question number 26. Saprotrophs are called as decomposer because they accumulate the dead and decay, they regulate the dead and decay, they anabolize the dead and decay, they catabolize the dead and decay. The right answer is they catabolize the dead and decay. Question number 27. Total amount of ATP produced in aerobic respiration. No ATP, 26 ATP, 38 ATP, 2 ATP. The right answer is 38 ATP. Question number 28. Pyruvic acid is catalyzed in anaerobic yeast respiration. CO2 and H2O, lactic acid CO2, ethanol and lactic acid, ethanol and carbon monoxide, ethanol and CO. Question number 29. Bicuspid ball guard the opening in the mammals between left atrium and left ventricle, pulmonary vein and left auricle, stomach and intestine, right atrium and right ventricle. The right answer is left atrium and left ventricle. Question number 30. During cellular respiration, one molecule of glucose is first breakdown into two molecules of acetic acid, pyruvic acid, lactic acid, none of the above. The right answer is pyruvic acid. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and join our biology class.